In this video, how to add HDMI smartphone mirroring to your vehicle.
You can go into any feature, which any movie you'll just request. You will have to just use the Wi-Fi of your car or Wi-Fi of your phone. You can connect Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick. You can basically connect any device that you want and it will work. Click here and you're going to enter Android Auto. This is Android Auto home screen. So if you connect any Android Auto, this is going to be a home screen. You got 5 main buttons here. First button is your navigation, Waze or Google Maps. You press on the navigation, this is your Google Maps. You got all your applications. Pressing either of the corner, you can switch through the pages of applications.
Land Rover Range Rover LR2, years 2005 to 2009. All NAVTOOL products are 100% designed and manufactured in the USA. Please support American jobs. NAVTOOL, established in 2002. This interface does not replace factory radio or factory screen. This interface enhances the factory screen with features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, HDMI mirroring, and cameras. All factory features work the same as before. This interface is see-through, meaning the vehicle does not detect that the interface is installed in the car.
HDMI input, you can connect one of the following devices.
NAVTOOL wireless smartphone mirroring device. Roku Premiere, Roku Streaming Stick, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Roku Express, Google Chromecast, Google Chromecast Ultra, Apple HDMI, Apple TV 4K, Fire TV Stick, regular or 4K, ScreenBeam Mini 2, and J5 Create USB Type-C to HDMI connection.
For this demo, we have chosen to connect Apple TV, but you can connect any other device to HDMI. Now, if you have Apple TV installed in a car and you have this remote, Apple TV can be hidden anywhere, and using the remote, you can go into any feature, which any movie you'll just request. You will have to just use the Wi-Fi of your car or Wi-Fi of your phone. You can connect Roku stick, Amazon Fire Stick. You can basically connect any device that you want.
Thank you for watching. Please click the link on the left to subscribe to the channel, or click the link on the right to watch the full video.